Alright, welcome to the channel. The next couple of videos hopefully will be trying to rebuild this crash damaged Massey Ferguson 35 that belongs to my father. My brother accidentally put it, upside down, rolled it into a ditch. So we're going to try and rebuild it back to the way it should be looking. Every panel on the tractor is more or less original to the tractor. The mud guards are the only thing that aren't original to it, so we will be trying to rebuild it. I should have been taking more videos along the way, but haven't been. So the engine's been done, it's been rebuilt, new pistons and liners, the seat's already been straightened, a bottle jack, the steering wheel's been fixed and straightened with welding it to the bench, and then we just cut it all open, bent it back into shape, and then welded it back up. So hopefully in the next couple of videos we will carry on with the tractor and get it painted, and then we'll start trying to panel beat the bonnet and everything back to its original condition. So subscribe, like, and keep following for the videos.